इस T20 लीग में नॉर्थ वर्सेस वेस्ट, लेकिन हमारे साथ एक्सपर्ट आए हैं ईस्ट से, बंगाल के दीपदास गुप्ता, जो हमें बताएंगे कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग इनसाइट्स ऑन माय 11 सर्कल फैंटेसी पिक ऑन ESPN Cricket Info फॉर पंजाब वर्सेस मुंबई टू बी प्लेड इन दुबई. दीप अपने इंसाइट्स बताए उससे पहले एक प्रो टिप नोट कर लो. मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोलिफिक विकेट कीपर बैट्समैन ऑन either side, and that means KL Rahul and Quinton de Kock are a must in your 11. Deep, do you agree?
Absolutely. How can I not agree when you're talking about wicketkeeper batsmen? But yes, I mean, on a serious note as well, I mean, KL Rahul, orange cap holder, highest run getter so far, Quinton de Kock, the way he batted in the last game was unreal, unreal. So yeah, I mean, absolutely yes.
Right, quick update, all players available. Also a reminder of the rules of this game. Please note that every user on My 11 Circle has 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and users have to pick players from 4 categories: batsmen, all-rounders, wicket keepers and bowlers, with a maximum of 7 players from one particular team allowed. We followed our own pro tip very well. KL Rahul is going to be our captain, the highest run getter in the tournament so far with 448 runs, a strike rate of 133, not bad at all. Now, his team may not have done well, but he has been consistently scoring runs. He scored 450s and 100 in 8 innings in the tournament so far, of which a 50 and 100 have come at this very venue in 4 innings. He'll be hungry for more. And Quinton de Kock is going to be our vice-captain. He's been in excellent form in that last week, scoring 350s in his last 4 innings. If you look at batsmen in the middle overs, Quinton de Kock has the highest strike rate of about 178 and has been dismissed only once in the power play in his last 4 innings. So KL Rahul and Quinton de Kock, captain, vice-captain. Joining them in the top picks are Rohit Sharma, who has opened against Punjab twice since 2018, has scored 70 and 32. That innings of 70 came just a couple of weeks ago in the same tournament. I believe he'll relish the kind of attack Punjab have. Chris Gayle, the universe boss, was back in action, and how he was smiling, he was looking relaxed. Even at the age of 41, we believe he's got the big shots to trouble the Mumbai Indians bowling attack. He's worth a gamble, go for him. Mayank Agarwal also fits in nicely on our top picks. He's provided a great start to his side almost every game. Although he's got only a few 50-plus scores this season, he scored runs at a fair clip. He scored 165 runs in the power play in this tournament, and he may enjoy the pace that the Mumbai Indians pace bowlers will offer him. So, KL Rahul, Quinton de Kock, Rohit Sharma, Chris Gayle and Mayank Agarwal, the 5 players in our top picks. Deep, would you change any of this?
Absolutely not. Chris Gayle, just a word of caution. When he comes good, we know, I mean, he can be brilliant. But again, let's not forget that Chris Gayle is kind of 41 now. He's playing after a long time. He recently, because what happens with age is you take time to recover also. These are like hot conditions. So these are very, very challenging conditions. So yeah, I mean, we all know what he can do, but let's not forget he's not getting any younger.
And he doesn't enjoy running between the wickets. We're just showing the boss some respect, aren't we? Right? Okay, so moving on, we've got a couple of differential picks. Murugan Ashwin features on that list. He's played only 3 games so far in this tournament, but has impressed in all those games. He's picked up 6 wickets at an economy of just over 7, and we believe he could come good in your 11. Nicholas Purun, who finished things off in that last game, slightly scary end to that game against Bangalore, but he's played a few excellent cameos every time he's gotten an opportunity, and against a strong bowling lineup like Mumbai's, he could get to play a few more balls compared to the last few games. His strike rate this tournament in the middle overs has been 176, and that's something that will make sure that Mumbai will be wary of Nicholas Purun. So Murugan Ashwin and Nicholas Purun, the 2 differential picks. Now let's give you a complete look at our 11 3 wicketkeeper batsmen: Nicholas Purun, Quinton de Kock, KL Rahul. We're going in with 3 batsmen: Chris Gayle, Rohit Sharma and Mayank Agarwal. Kieron Pollard, the only all-rounder. We've got 4 bowlers, of which we've just got 2 spinners and 2 pacers: Mohammad Shami, Murugan Ashwin, Jasprit Bumrah and Rahul Chahar. But, however, everybody's favourite Surya Kumar Yadav does not find a spot for himself in our recommended 11. He is in the substitutes alongside Ravi Bishnoi, Chris Jordan and Trent Boult. Deep, do you agree with that move?
I will pick Surya Kumar Yadav. Right. The pitch in Dubai is slowing down. So I would pick Surya Kumar because there'll be a lot of overs from the spinners. And when I look at Surya Kumar Yadav, he's one of the best spinners, best batsmen against the spinners. So I will pick Surya Kumar. I will pick Ravi Bishnoi as well. I will pick those two for sure. I don't know in whose place, but I will pick those two surely, Ravi Bishnoi and Surya Kumar Yadav.
Some of you might wonder if you should have Rohit as the captain or the vice captain. In that case, we do have an alternate scenario for you. 2 out of 350s this season for Quinton de Kock have come in the second innings, while almost 81% of Rohit's runs this tournament have come in the first innings. And so, if Mumbai bat first, you can make Rohit your vice captain, and if Mumbai bat second, make de Kock your vice captain. Right, so you've got two different opinions, but we've got a third one for you as well. Here's Arjun giving us his high-risk 11. Take a look.
So I've made 5 changes to the team. A high-risk 11 would ideally be Punjab beating Bombay, which is not ideal, but looking at Punjab's form and Mumbai's form, I think Mumbai are going to win this. So there is no Mayank Agarwal and KL Rahul for me. Ishan Kishan comes in, Surya Kumar Yadav comes in, Glenn Maxwell comes in, Hardik Pandya comes in, and Trent Bolt comes in. So I'm not expecting KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal to score big, and Trent Bolt comes in. That's why, because he could take take most of the wickets up top, and that's why Nicholas Pooran and Chris Gayle are in the team, and I am giving the armband. I'm making Nicholas Pooran the captain because I think he's going to come good. He played well against Mumbai in the last game. Rohit Sharma is my vice captain because I think he's come going to good again. It's been a while since he has played well, and in the last game against Punjab he scored a 70. So I think it's about time he gets a big knock. So these are my changes, and again, Glenn Maxwell has not played well again, and I'm picking him in place in front of Mayank Agarwal because I'm expecting Pooran, Chris Gayle, and Maxi to take most of the runs after they lose quick wickets early on. So this is my team.
And with that, you have all the possible insights and intel you need. So go get your teams ready and win lots and lots of prizes. For now, it's time for me to thank Deep for joining us on my 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricket.